everybody, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Quest 3 headset from your phone. The process is the same if you have a Quest 2 headset. Let's jump right into it. All right, we're currently on my phone, so you're going to want to make sure your headset is powered on, otherwise it will not sync to the app. And of course, make sure you have the MetaQuest app installed. We're going to launch it. At the top here, there is a drop-down option in case you have multiple headsets. We're going to select MetaQuest 2. That's the one I'm going to be doing a factory reset on. Once it's synced and it shows that it is connected up here at the top, at the bottom where it says Headset Settings, you're going to select that. And then head down to Advanced Settings. And then at the bottom, you'll see a factory reset. Select that. It's going to tell you, are you sure? It's going to erase everything. There is no going back after this point. We're going to select reset. Now, this does take a little bit of time. Your headset will probably reboot a few times, but that's all there is to resetting your headset. Hope you found this informative.